In this video, I'm going to show the basics of how to create a clone in Zoo Design Studio. Clone is very similar to duplicate or copy that you may be used to in other traditional CAD softwares. To do a clone, you're going to go up to this drop down right here, select clone, select your object, continue, give it a name. For this one, I'll call it washer 002 and confirm. Now it looks like I didn't do anything, but if we go to the feature tree, I have my clone here now. And let's say I want to move the clone, I'd go to translate, select clone, continue, type in 5 inches, and we'll just move it 5 inches in the X direction, and now we can see our clone. One important note is for imports, this is the same thing that I said in the translate and rotate video, is that if you have imported geometry, the clone works a little bit different, where you can't select the actual object in the scene itself, but you can select it in the feature tree. So here you can see I have my imports. If I go to clone and select the washer, continue, and call this washer 002, confirm. Now I have my clone, in which this one I could also translate. So say I want to translate, go to my clone, and let's move this to the opposite side, where I will do negative 3.5, because that's the mounting hole diameter. I guess the mounting hole pattern diameter, I should be more specific. And 0 and 0, and confirm. Let it build, and now you can see I have my clone in the right spot as well.